Hello everyone, welcome to online class. My dear students, we have been dealing with the lesson Bipin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. And in the previous video, we had completed the part 1 of this story, and today in this video we are going to see the part 2 of this lesson or this story. Okay, in the part 1 we had seen that Bipin Babu was there in a bookstore and he was just selecting books for him, and there Parimal Ghosh is coming following Bipin Babu and he is looking at him, and he was just trying to have a talk with Bipin Babu. Okay, they were talking and Parimal Ghosh was saying that Bipin Babu had been to Ranchi and there he had a fall and he had a knee cut. Okay, and there he had been to Hudru Fall, where Parimal Ghosh had a great role to help Bipin Babu. But Bipin Babu says that I had not been to Ranchi, even though I thought of going to Ranchi, but I was not there. Then Bipin Babu says that which days or which month you are talking about. Okay, then Parimal Ghosh says that in the month of October. Okay, in the month of October. And here Bipin Babu says that in the month of October I was there for puja with my friend in Kanpur and I was not gone to Ranchi, and you are making a mistake with me. That is what Bipin Babu says to Parimal Ghosh. Okay, and then Parimal Ghosh also is saying that it is very strange that you are talking with me and you said that you had no children and your wife had died before 10 years, and your brother also became insane and he also died. Means he became mad and he died later on. Okay, therefore you do not want to visit Ranchi, any mental hospital, because of your brother. Okay, and all those things that Parimal Ghosh is trying to say Bipin Babu, but Bipin Babu did not pay any attention to that, and he selected the books and he paid for the book, whatever the price were there, and he went on to his way. Okay, so that much we had seen in the part 1. So today in this video we are going to begin the part 2 of the story. Okay, so let us see here. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he go into the car, just drive by the Ganga, will you? Okay, Sitaram driving up the Strand Road. Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. Okay, so now what happened is that now Bipin Babu had parked his car. Okay, उसका कार को उन्होंने कहाँ पे रखा था? बेरथराम स्ट्रीट में उन्होंने रखा था, जहाँ पे कि लाइट हाउस सिनेमा करीब है, और उन्होंने वो अपना ड्राइवर को बोला कि चलो हम किस रास्ते में जाएंगे, हम गंगा रिवर के किनारे के जो रास्ता है उसी से जाएंगे, और वो ड्राइवर का नाम क्या था? सीताराम. ओके, तो सीताराम को बोलता है कि उस रास्ते में जाएंगे. देन ड्राइविंग अप द स्ट्रैंड road, Bipin Babu regretted. Okay, so now as they are going on the Strand Road, as they are going beside the river bank Ganga, okay, they are going, then Bipin Babu is regretting. Okay, what is that? Regretted or regretting? That is feeling sorry. He felt sorry for that. Why he is feeling sorry? The man who came at the shop, okay, bookstore, then he was trying to tell him all those things, but Bipin Babu does not remember anything. So, and the attention that he paid to the intruder. Okay, intruder मतलब कौन है यहाँ पे? पारिमल घोष जो है, उन्होंने जब आया और उन्होंने बिपिन बाबू को बोल रहा था कि आप रांची गए थे, इससे हुआ वहाँ पे, और आप कोई भी याद नहीं कर रहे, तो उसके साथ जितना भी बात हुई थी वही सारी चीज को याद करके बिपिन बाबू को थोड़ा सा रिग्रेट हो रहा है, या फिर वो सॉरी फील कर रहा है. अगर मैं रांची गया होता तो किसे मुझे याद नहीं आते, और या फिर ये जो मैंने रांची नहीं गया और ये आदमी इस तरह से चीजें बोल रहे हैं, क्या ये सच है? क्या मैं सच में मैं अपना मेमोरी खो बैठा हूँ? इस तरह से वो थोड़ा सा रिग्रेट कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा सॉरी फील कर रहे हैं. He had never been to Ranchi, no question about it. Okay, it was inconceivable. Okay, it was inconceivable that he should forget such a incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. So now he is also saying that he never been to Ranchi, he had never been to Ranchi, or he never went to Ranchi, and no question about it that he had gone to Ranchi. Nobody can tell him that you had gone to Ranchi and you did all these things. Okay, there is no question because he does not remember anything or he had not been. उसने गाया ही नहीं है तो क्यों एक्सेप्ट करेगा कि हाँ मैं गया था लेकिन भूल गया सब कुछ, ऐसे बोलेगा क्या? नहीं. It was inconceivable. Inconceivable means unthinkable. Okay, unthinkable. It was wrong. हम सोच ही नहीं सकते उसके बारे में कि वो रांची गया था. That he should forget such a incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. और ये सिर्फ तो नहीं हो सकता है, या फिर ये तो हम बिलीव नहीं कर पाएंगे कि ये जो 6-7 साल के पहले जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था रांची जाकर, वहां पे जो भी घटना हुआ था वो सारी चीज के बारे में भूल जाएगा ये जो बिपिन बाबू है. ऐसे तो नहीं हो सकता. ओके, एंड दैट इज अनकंसीवेबल दैट वी कैन नॉट थिंक अबाउट दैट ही विल फॉरगेट ऑल अदर इंसिडेंट दैट टुक प्लेस इन रांची इफ ही हैड गॉन टू रांची. ओके, he had an excellent memory. Okay, because बिपिन बाबू had an excellent memory. उसका मेमोरी जो पावर थी, मेमोरी का पावर जो थी वो बहुत बेहतरीन थी. Okay, he had excellent memory power so that he cannot forget anything or he will not forget anything. So how can he forget this one such incident which took place in Ranchi? Okay, how can he forget having an excellent memory power? Unless Bipin Babu's head relate. Okay, unless Bipin Babu's head relate. Okay, जब तक उसका हेड जो है, यहाँ पे देखो रिलेट का मतलब क्या है, his head relate मतलब he was shocked and confused. Unless he was shocked and confused, he would never forget anything about that. Okay, or he had been to Ranchi. That things he will not forget because his memory power was very good. So let us see ahead what is there. Was he losing his mind? But how could that be? He was working daily in his office. It was a big firm and he was doing a responsible job. He was not aware of anything, even going seriously wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at a important meeting. And yet, so now was he losing his memory? क्या वो अपना मेमोरी जो था उसको खो रहा था? बट हाउ कुड दैट बी? लेकिन इस तरह से कैसे हो सकता है कि वो अपना मेमोरी खो जाएगा या फिर अपना मेमोरी जो है याददाश्त से खोएगा या फिर उनका आदत से जो है वो गुम हो जाएंगे. इसे तो नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि वो रेगुलरली वो अपने ऑफिस जा रहे हैं और वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा फर्म है वहाँ पे और उसमें एक रेस्पॉन्सिबल जॉब भी कर रहे हैं वो. सभी जिम्मेदारी वही उठा रहे हैं, तो कैसे भूल सकते हैं या फिर कैसे उनका मेमोरी लॉस हो सकती है? ही वॉज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ एनीथिंग ever going serious wrong, and he was also not aware of anything about that. Only he was just paying attention to his job, whatever work he was doing in the firm, that only he was so much of concern about and not other things. So how can he lose his memory or how can he forget any such events? Okay, only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting, and today only he spoke. If we talk about Bipin Babu, in the beginning itself we have an introduction about him that he was a man who was not mixture, okay, or who was not mixing up with the other students, other people. वो जो कि ज्यादा मिक्स नहीं होता था, ज्यादा वो फ्रेंडली नहीं होता था. उसके पास बहुत सारे फ्रेंड थे लेकिन बहुत कम फ्रेंड उनके साथ बात करते थे क्योंकि उनको इस तरह से आइडल चैटिंग में उनको पसंद नहीं था या फिर ऐसे बेकार बात करो और टाइम पास करो, उसमें उनको पसंद नहीं था. फिर भी आज क्या हुआ यहाँ पे शॉप में कि वहां पे एक पारीमाल घोष मिल गया, उसके साथ वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग था और उसमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा वो बात किए उनके साथ, लेकिन वो कुछ भी याद नहीं कर सकते हैं या फिर याद नहीं कर पाते जो कि पारीमाल घोष उनको बोल रहे थे रांची के इंसिडेंट के बारे में. And yet the man knew a great deal about him. How? And he also is not able to understand how this man, how the Parimal Ghosh knew about the Bipin Babu, that Bipin Babu had been to Ranchi and such kind of incident took place there. How is that possible? And how is that possible that Bipin Babu does not remember anything? He even seemed to know some intimate details, the bag of books, wife's death, brother's insanity. So here also we can see that how that man knew about great deal about him. Great deal about means so many things about बिपिन बाबू. बिपिन बाबू के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज उनको पता था. किसको? पारीमाल घोष को. ओके, किस तरह से चीज पता था कि उसके बैग में हमेशा जब भी वो ट्रिप में जाते थे, जब भी वो कोई भी ट्रैवल करते थे, तब उनके बैग में किताबें रहते थे, और उसका वाइफ का डेथ जो हो गई थी, और उसके पास कोई भी बच्चे नहीं थे, उसके कोई लड़के नहीं थे, और उनका ब्रदर भी इंसानिटी की वजह से या फिर मार्डनेस की वजह से वो भी मर गए थे। वो सारी चीज के बारे में उनको पता है। किसको? पारीमाल घोष को, बिपिन बाबू के बारे में। ओके, the only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. All these things are true. About all these things is that bag books and wife death and brother's insanity. All these things are true. But this is not the true that he was making mistake about Bipin Babu was that he had never been to Ranchi, and he was saying that you had gone to Ranchi. That was the mistake. Or that is the thing that Bipin Babu does not remember. If he had gone to Ranchi, actually he had not gone to Ranchi. In the end of this lesson, we will be understanding what are the trick played by his friend to Bipin Babu. Okay, not a mistake, a deliberate lie. It is not a mistake, but it is a deliberate lie. Okay, deliberate means done consciously. Okay, जानबूझकर ये मिस्टेक कर रहे, जानबूझकर वो उसको फंसा रहे, इस तरह से मिस्टेक है वो. Okay. In 58, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend's Haridas Bachi's place. Okay, so now during the puja time, or in the month of October 58, he was there. The puja was there. Okay, and he was during that time in his friend's house in Kanpur, and his friend name is what? Haridas. There he was there. Okay, Haridas Bachi's place. Okay, there he was, and he was not in Ranchi at that time. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to know there was no way of writing to Haridas. So now here all that he was able to do that when the Parimal Ghosh is saying that you had been to Ranchi and all these things took place. So Bipin Babu is not able to remember all those things, but Parimal Ghosh is insisting in him. So now only one way was that Bipin Babu could write whom? Haridas, so that it will be confirmed that Bipin Babu was with Haridas or he was not with Haridas and he was in Ranchi. Okay, but it is no need to write a letter to Haridas. Okay, यहाँ पे उसको लेटर लिखना कोई जरूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि बिपिन बाबू को पता है और वो श्योर है कि वो रांची नहीं गए थे. So what is the need of writing a letter to Haridas? Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan some weeks before, and he did not have his address. And after that, he also remembered why he did not want to write the letter is that Haridas had left that place. Okay, left that place in Kanpur, and he had gone to Japan some weeks before with his wives. So in Japan, the new address Bipin Babu did not know. Haridas' new address he did not know. So in which address he will write the letter to Haridas, and he will confirm that either he was with Haridas or he was in Ranchi. Okay, that is the problem. Whenever we want to write any letter, then we need to know the address of that particular person to whom we want to write the letter. Yes or no? Without address, can you write a letter to that person? No way. If you write a letter, then the letter is not going to reach that person whom you are writing the letter. Okay. But where was the need for proof? He himself was fully aware that he had not been to Ranchi, and that was that. Okay. So now there is no need of proof anything. कोई भी चीज का प्रूफ दिखाने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है, because he knows that. Okay, बिपिन बाबू को पता है कि वो रांची गया ही नहीं है, तो प्रूफ करने का क्या जरूरत है यहाँ पे? What is the need of giving a proof for that he had not been to Ranchi? Because he knows and he is aware of that he had not been to Ranchi. Okay, and whatever maybe he had not been to Ranchi, and that is that. Whatever maybe, whatever you say, I will not agree with you. The river bridge was bracing, and yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. Okay, so now they are going through, okay, going back from the shop, okay, going back from the bookstore, okay, and they are going back through the river bank, Ganga, okay, and as they are going in the bridge means what is that? Gentle wind was bracing means what is that? Stimulating, okay, it was making a stranger, okay, or make stranger, okay, or it was just making stimulating, or it was making some kind of wind was there, and when there is a cold wind or gentle wind, how do you feel? Very nice, okay, very comfortable that we feel, okay, and yet a slight discomfort, okay, yeah, even though there is a breeze, very nice wind is blowing, there also he is just feeling discomfortable, okay, he's not feeling comfortable, something is there in his mind which is going on, and lingering means बी स्लो, समथिंग इज देयर इन हिज माइंड, वो बहुत धीरे से वो सोच ही नहीं पा रहा है या फिर क्या है, वो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो गया. अराउंड Hastings, Bipin Babu decided to roll off his trousers and take a look at his right knee. Okay, so now as they are going around Hastings, okay, this place is there, as they are going back from the office in the car, then he thought of something was there in his mind. Either this man is telling whatever he is saying, who परिमल घोष जो भी बोल रहे हैं, क्या वो सच है कि मैं रांची गया था और कोई भी चीज याद नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. If it is true, then in my knee there will be some kind of marks will be there, that I had a fall in the Hudru waterfall, and there I had got injured. So that marks will be there. If it is true, let me see either it is there or not. So what he is doing, he's just rolling off his trouser. जो फुल पेंट उन्होंने पहना था उसको थोड़ा सा उठाया और अपना घुटनों में देख रहा है कि वहां पे कोई चोट का निशानी है या फिर नहीं. There was the mark of an old inch long cut. It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. Okay, so now when he's trying to check his knee, or when he's trying to see that either there was some kind of cut mark was there, that as Parimal Ghosh told that you had been to Hudru Fall and there you had fallen. Okay, and there I had helped you to go from there to other place and I had booked a car for you. So that Bipin Babu also tried to check, let me see either it is true or not. So when he was just rolling off his trouser and he saw that his knee, there was a mark was there. वहाँ पे एक मार्क था, कटा हुआ मार्क था, एक घाव का, पुराना घाव का एक मार्क था. So at that time he is feeling that, अरे बाप रे, what happened? Was it true? It is impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. और उसको पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि ये जो घाव उसको लगा है, ये जो चोट उसको लगा है घुटनों में, वो कब घाव हुआ था, 55 में या फिर 6-7 साल पहले, जबकि वो रांची गया था बोलकर परिमल घोष बोल रहा है. उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, so my dear students, here we will stop in this video. I hope you have understood, and in the next video we will continue with this part 2 of the story. Okay, and in this video your homework will be, you just see the words here that is given in the right side of the text. Okay, intimate and all these things, losing his mind, these are some of the phrases. You have to write these things in your notebook, and not only writing them but also you have to learn them by heart. Okay, and other words if you see here in the text, that also you can find out their meaning and write in your notebook. That will be your homework in this video. Okay, so have a nice day, bye, and we'll continue in the next video with this second part of the story. Okay.